Stop for a moment and pay attention to what you're about to discover. Powerful ancestral knowledge has been set aside over time, and not by chance. Have you ever wondered why so many natural remedies, even with proven effectiveness, are ignored by the media and the pharmaceutical industry? The truth is that nature offers effective, accessible, and almost cost-free solutions, which pose a threat to a system that profits billions from treatments that only relieve symptoms. Meanwhile, silently, nature continues to offer true possibilities for healing. Ancient civilizations, such as those practicing Chinese medicine, Ayurveda, and indigenous knowledge, understood that healing could lie in a simple tea or infusion. Today, much of that wisdom is discredited, but reclaiming it is essential so that people can regain control over their own health. That's why you're now going to discover the benefits of guava leaves, a true natural treasure with antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. Simple to use, they can strengthen the immune system, relieve pain, and improve digestion. Later on, I'll teach you a powerful homemade recipe using guava leaves. If you believe in natural healing and want to help others, write in the comments, "I believe in healing," and share this content. Information can change lives. Guava, a natural pharmacy in the form of fruit. Guava is one of the most complete fruits when it comes to nutrition. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds, it has a direct impact on promoting health. Its high vitamin C content is impressive, up to 5 times more than that of an orange, making it an excellent ally in strengthening the immune system. This vitamin helps the body defend itself against infections, inflammation, and invasive agents such as viruses and bacteria. And its benefits go far beyond immunity, reaching various other systems of the body. Guava stands out as one of the fruits with the highest antioxidant capacity, thanks to the presence of flavonoids, carotenoids, and lycopene. These compounds help neutralize free radicals, protecting cells against damage that accelerates aging and increases the risk of degenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and certain types of cancer. Additionally, its nutrients help regulate blood sugar levels, support heart health, and contribute to cholesterol balance, helping keep the body in harmony. How guava protects your heart. For those dealing with high cholesterol, unstable blood pressure, or seeking to strengthen their cardiovascular system, guava can be a powerful ally. Rich in soluble fiber and potassium, it helps balance cholesterol levels by lowering LDL, known as the bad cholesterol, and increasing HDL, the good cholesterol. These same nutrients also assist in blood pressure regulation and promote healthy circulation, making guava an excellent natural choice for heart health. In addition, compounds such as lycopene and flavonoids found in guava help protect arterial walls, preventing the formation of plaques that lead to atherosclerosis, one of the main causes of heart attacks and strokes. Guava and diabetes control. One of the most impressive effects of guava lies in its ability to support blood sugar control. Both the pulp and the leaves of the guava tree have properties that help balance blood sugar levels, making it a valuable option for those living with type 2 diabetes. Regular consumption can contribute to a more stable and natural glycemic response throughout the day. The fruit has a low glycemic index and is rich in dietary fiber, which slows down glucose absorption in the digestive tract. Moreover, the plant's bioactive compounds help modulate insulin sensitivity, preventing blood sugar spikes after meals. Intestinal health. Natural relief for diarrhea and constipation. Guava acts as a natural regulator of the intestines. Rich in dietary fiber, it contributes to the proper functioning of bowel movements, helping to prevent and relieve constipation. In addition, leaf extract has antimicrobial properties that help fight harmful microorganisms, such as certain bacteria associated with intestinal infections and episodes of diarrhea. Thus, whether to relieve episodes of constipation or to combat gastrointestinal infections, guava and its leaves offer natural and effective solutions. Guava in cancer prevention. Did you know that guava contains compounds with the potential to fight the development of abnormal cells? Substances such as quercetin, ellagic acid, and lycopene, found in the fruit, are associated with the inhibition of disordered cell growth, helping to protect the body against changes that can lead to tumor formation. The most significant results have been observed in studies focused on prostate, breast, and colon cancer. These antioxidant compounds work by neutralizing free radicals and modulating enzymes involved in uncontrolled cell multiplication, playing a role in prevention and potentially in complementary treatment of the disease. Youthful and healthy skin. With a high concentration of vitamin C, one of the most effective antioxidants found in nature, Guava stimulates the synthesis of collagen, a protein essential for maintaining skin firmness and elasticity. Frequent consumption of the fruit helps delay skin aging, smooth fine lines, and provide protection against damage caused by ultraviolet radiation exposure. The presence of carotenoids and polyphenols enhances the natural photoprotective action and contributes to a more radiant, hydrated, and rejuvenated-looking skin. The therapeutic effects of guava leaves: strengthening the immune system and fighting infections. Guava leaves are rich in flavonoids, tannins, and phenolic compounds that have antimicrobial and antifungal action. Their extracts are effective against bacteria, such as Staphylococcus aureus and Escherichia coli, which are responsible for respiratory infections and gastrointestinal disorders. Moreover, these compounds help stimulate the immune system, making the body more resistant to seasonal viruses, such as the flu, and opportunistic infections. Natural treatment for diabetes control. Guava leaves have also proven effective in controlling blood glucose. Their extracts work by inhibiting enzymes like alpha-glucosidase, which are responsible for digesting carbohydrates into glucose, thus slowing its absorption and helping prevent blood sugar spikes after meals. Clinical reports indicate that people who use guava leaf tea as part of their daily routine manage to maintain more stable glucose levels, often reducing the need for conventional medications. Protected heart and healthy circulation. Guava leaves have significant cardioprotective action. Their flavonoids help balance blood lipids by lowering LDL and increasing HDL, as well as promoting vasodilation, which supports blood vessel health and improves circulation. This effect enhances blood flow, reduces blood pressure, and helps prevent serious heart diseases such as hypertension, thrombosis, heart attacks, and strokes. Natural relief for pain and inflammation. Guava leaves contain compounds such as tannins, phenolic acids, and triterpene, which provide a powerful anti-inflammatory effect. These active principles help reduce chronic inflammatory processes, easing symptoms associated with various inflammatory conditions. These properties are especially useful in cases of arthritis, muscle pain, rheumatism, and even intestinal inflammation. Guava leaf tea, in fact, has been used as a natural analgesic, offering relief without the common side effects of synthetic anti-inflammatory drugs. Improved digestion and relief from intestinal disorders. For centuries, in various folk traditions, guava leaves have been used to relieve digestive discomfort. Their compounds have antispasmodic effects, promoting relaxation of the gastrointestinal tract muscles, which helps reduce cramps, excessive gas, bloating, and other common symptoms of indigestion. In addition, thanks to their antimicrobial properties, tea made from the leaves is effective in fighting bacterial intestinal infections, especially those that cause diarrhea. Its action is comparable to that of mild medications, making it a natural and safe option for such conditions. Support for weight loss and metabolism boost. Guava leaves also play an important role in aiding weight loss. The extract from these leaves can inhibit digestive enzymes responsible for breaking down and absorbing carbohydrates, resulting in lower glucose and insulin levels after meal, factors that directly influence body fat accumulation. Moreover, their regulatory effect on the intestines promotes toxin elimination and improves digestion, optimizing metabolism and supporting more efficient fat burning. Prevention and treatment of urinary tract infections. Due to their strong antimicrobial action, guava leaves are also used as a complement in the treatment of urinary tract infections. Tea made from these leaves helps eliminate infection-causing microorganisms, providing quick relief from symptoms such as burning and frequent urge to urinate. For those who suffer from recurrent urinary infections, this natural treatment can work as a preventive alternative, helping to reduce continuous antibiotic use and the risk of bacterial resistance. Fighting premature aging and benefits for the skin. Guava leaves are rich in natural antioxidants, including flavonoids, tannins, and vitamin C, which act by neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules that cause cellular damage and accelerate aging. These compounds also stimulate collagen production, which is essential for maintaining the skin's firmness and elasticity. In addition, leaf extract can be applied topically or consumed as tea to help fight acne, as its antimicrobial compounds target the bacteria responsible for pimples and skin inflammation. Natural anti-cancer action. Guava leaves are recognized for their role in preventing various types of cancer. Their bioactive compounds, such as quercetin, tannins, and phenolic acids, have an inhibitory effect on the growth and proliferation of tumor cells, especially in prostate, breast, and colon cancers. The combination of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties creates a cellular environment less conducive to genetic mutations and tumor processes, making the use of these leaves promising as complementary prevention. How to properly use guava leaves to gain their benefits. Now that you are familiar with the various medicinal properties of guava leaves, it is essential to understand how to prepare them effectively. The method of consumption directly influences the absorption of bioactive compounds, which vary in concentration depending on how they are prepared. There are different ways to use them, adapted for various health needs. Below, learn how to prepare medicinal tea and easily incorporate it into your routine. Guava leaf tea, an ally against inflammation, infections, and metabolic disorders. Tea is the most common and accessible way to enjoy the benefits of guava leaves. Rich in antioxidants and antimicrobial substances, it strengthens immunity, regulates the intestines, supports glycemic control, and helps prevent infections. How to prepare the tea. Boil 500 milliliters of water. Add 7 fresh, well-washed guava leaves. Keep boiling for 5 minutes and turn off the heat. Cover the pot and let it steep for another 10 minutes. Strain and consume while still warm. How to consume properly. To strengthen immunity and prevent illness, drink 1 cup in the morning and another at night. To treat intestinal or urinary infections, drink up to 3 cups throughout the day. To balance blood sugar levels, drink 1 cup 15 minutes before main meals. Extra tip: avoid sweetening the tea with refined sugar. If necessary, sweeten with a small amount of pure honey or stevia, so as not to compromise its therapeutic effects. Concentrated infusion to revitalize skin and hair. The external use of guava leaves offers remarkable benefits for the health of skin and hair. Thanks to their rich composition of antioxidants, antibacterial agents, and anti-inflammatory compounds, this natural infusion can help fight acne, control skin inflammations, treat dandruff, and even reduce hair loss. How to prepare and apply. Boil 1 liter of filtered water. Add 10 fresh, previously sanitized guava leaves. After turning off the heat, let the mixture steep for 15 minutes. Wait until it cools completely. Ways to use it. For acne or skin irritations, apply with cotton to the affected area twice a day. Against hair loss, apply directly to the scalp, gently massage, and let sit for 20 minutes before rinsing. Repeat 3 times a week. To strengthen strands and treat dandruff, use the infusion as a final rinse after washing your hair. Also 3 times a week. Chewing fresh leaves. Oral health within reach. Little known, the practice of chewing guava leaves brings impressive results for oral health. Their natural antimicrobial compounds help reduce the buildup of bacteria in the mouth, relieving toothaches, gum inflammation, and fighting bad breath. How to do it. Chew 2 fresh leaves for about 5 minutes and discard. Repeat twice a day, especially in cases of gingivitis or persistent halitosis. Therapeutic juice. Immunity and vitality in a single glass. For those looking for a practical and powerful way to take advantage of the nutrients in guava leaves, medicinal juice is an excellent alternative. It combines the antioxidant power of the fruit with the bioactive benefits of the leaves, strengthening the immune system and boosting energy levels. Functional recipe: 5 washed guava leaves, 1 ripe guava in pieces, 200 milliliters of coconut water or mineral water. Blend everything in a blender, strain, and consume immediately to preserve the nutrients. How to use it. Drink up to 3 times a week, preferably on an empty stomach, to stimulate the immune system and promote more energy in daily life. Therapeutic bath with guava leaves, relaxation and muscle relief. The leaves can also be used in relaxing baths, very effective for relieving muscle tension, joint pain, and promoting an overall sense of well-being. The natural compounds present in the leaves act as mild relaxants, reducing inflammation and calming the body. How to prepare the bath. Boil 2 liters of water and add 20 fresh guava leaves. Let it boil for 10 minutes and then turn off the heat. Wait until lukewarm and use the infusion in the bathtub or pour it over the body in the shower after your regular bath. It is recommended. Take this bath twice a week to relieve chronic pain, fatigue, and emotional tension. Guava leaf powder. Convenience in controlling glucose and cholesterol. The powdered form of guava leaves concentrates their active compounds and allows for more convenient daily use, especially for those looking to balance blood sugar levels and naturally reduce cholesterol. How to prepare homemade powder. Wash 15 leaves thoroughly and let them dry in the sun or in a low oven until crisp. Grind until a fine powder is formed. Store in an airtight container, away from light and moisture. How to consume. For diabetes, mix 1 teaspoon of the powder in warm water and drink before main meals. For high cholesterol, add the same dose to natural juices or smoothies once a day. Important precautions and contraindications. Despite its multiple benefits, the use of guava leaves requires attention in some cases. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult a healthcare professional before use, as conclusive studies on safety during these periods are lacking. Low blood pressure. Since the plant can lower blood pressure, those who already suffer from hypotension should avoid excessive use. Constipation. Due to the high tannin content, excessive consumption may slow down bowel movements. Ancestral recipe: guava leaf elixir for longevity and immunity. You are about to discover an ancient formula used by traditional civilizations to strengthen the body, boost the body's natural defenses, and stimulate longevity. It is an elixir that combines guava leaves with other herbal ingredients, creating a powerful blend that has passed through generations and is now within your reach. This recipe has been rediscovered and adapted for modern life, maintaining its original essence and its potential to transform your health from the inside out. Powerful ingredients: 10 fresh guava leaves, well washed, 1 liter of filtered water, a piece of fresh ginger, approximately the size of a thumb, juice of half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of pure honey, optional. Preparation method: bring the water to a boil. Add the guava leaves and grated ginger. Keep at a light boil for 10 minutes. Turn off the heat, cover, and let it infuse for another 10 minutes. Strain. Add the lemon juice and honey if you want a slightly sweet touch. How to use to get the most benefits. To strengthen immunity, drink 1 cup upon waking on an empty stomach and another before bed. During colds and flu, drink 3 cups throughout the day to aid recovery. For digestion and regular bowel movements, consume 1 cup after main meals. For blood glucose balance, drink 1 cup about 20 minutes before lunch and dinner. Why is this combination so powerful? Guava leaves, rich in phenolic compounds and flavonoids with antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and hypoglycemic action. They help control blood sugar, reduce inflammation, fight infections, and support cardiovascular health. Ginger. Considered one of the most complete herbal remedies in nature, it contains gingerol, a bioactive compound with antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and digestive action. It stimulates circulation, relieves muscle pain, fights nausea, and may boost metabolism. Lemon. A concentrated source of vitamin C, it strengthens the immune system, improves iron absorption, and promotes pH balance in the body. Its natural acids help fight viruses and bacteria, and also aid digestion. This infusion can be used as a daily tonic, especially useful during seasonal changes, when the body needs more support to adapt and keep its defenses strong. Now it's up to you. Have you ever imagined that something so simple and accessible could offer so many health benefits? While many turn to expensive and palliative solutions, the answer may lie in natural ingredients that, for generations, have been used by families as effective home remedies. But attention, the true power of knowledge lies in application. Only by putting it into practice can real transformation occur. So, what did you think of this lesson? Leave your rating from 0 to 10 in the comments, and tell me which city you're watching from. That way we can track how far this message is reaching. If this information was helpful to you, share it with someone who needs it. Do you know anyone with diabetes, high cholesterol, digestive issues, or low immunity? This recipe could be a game changer in their lives. And before you go, comment below with the phrase of the day: healing comes from nature. If you want more content about natural health, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next lessons. Now choose one of the videos on the final screen to continue your journey of natural healing and wellness. A hug, good health, and see you soon.